Hi everyone, it's Tiffany and Nova with Easy Toddler Hairstyles. We're excited today to show you a pull-through braid style. I do have another pull-through braid style on my channel, but this one has a cute little accent connected ponytail on the side that connects into the pull-through braid. Also, I did some crowdsourcing on my Instagram account and a lot of people wanted to know the products that we're using. So next week's video, I am going to show you guys the products that we're currently using, and we are excited to show you that. So let's go ahead and get started on our connected pony and pull-through braid. Using a comb, you're going to make a deep side part above the eyebrow. We're then going to take it to the back of the crown and part it across to the edge of the other eyebrow. So you've got that front middle section. I'm just going to loosely secure it off, use a little bit of spray gel and comb out this section by the deep side part. I'm going to create another section that is 1 to 2 inches wide and goes just as far back as the other section. With this one, I'm also going to loosely secure it in an elastic just to keep it out of the way for now. And then the rest of the hair I'm going to pull back into a low ponytail so I don't accidentally incorporate it into the rest of my hairstyle. From here, we're first going to work with the larger section. I'm going to spray the hair down with a little bit of water and then spray gel. With the spray gel, it's important to spray it evenly all over the style and then comb it through so you get an even distribution. I'm then using Amelia Beauty elastics. I will link them in the profile below. So we are going to make 5 parts or 5 sections with 5 ponytails. I'm bringing the ponytail way over to the left side since our pull-through braid is going to be to the side. So I'm just creating my second ponytail here and bringing it over to the side. You want to make sure that it's directly behind that first ponytail. It'll make your pull-through braid look a lot more even. Now this is a very elastic heavy style. At the end of the night, you want to clip these elastics out with a seam ripper, a pair of scissors, or a small pair of fingernail clippers. You'll just clip them out and then they'll fall right out, not causing any damage to the hair. It's always really important when you do that with the really heavy elastic styles. So we're going to take out this 1-inch section and I'm going to be creating 4 connected ponytails here. So I'm going to take my first section, which is about 1 inch wide, and create a ponytail, and then I'm going to be making my second section. I'll add the first ponytail to the second ponytail. It's important to comb it all out together so that you get a smooth connected ponytail style. Now I just kind of eyeball my sections when I'm doing these connected ponytails. They're not perfect, but you'll get better as you do it more. The same goes for parting out the hair. So there's 3, and then we are going to do our final ponytail on this connected ponytail on the right. So from here, I'm out of ponytails, but I'm going to add 2 more elastics. I'm going to come down roughly 1 inch on each of those and add an elastic, and you just want enough elastics so that it will reach over to the other side. Our next step is to start our pull-through braid. I'm going to split the first ponytail in half, bring it around the second pony, and connect it to the third ponytail. You may have seen this in some of my other styles. It's a really cute way if you don't know how to braid to get that braided look. And then we're just going to pancake out the sides to give it some volume. I'm going to then take the second ponytail, split it in half, bring it around the third ponytail and attach it to the fourth. Now when you pancake out, you just want to grab a little bit of the hair on each side and kind of feather it out and pull it out just a little bit. And then we're going to go third to fifth ponytail. So you're just going to repeat this as you have with the other ponytails and pancake it out a little bit. Now at this point we're going to bring our connected ponytails and we're going to attach it to our 5th and final ponytail. So I'll attach it with another elastic, and now I'm out of anchored ponytails. So I'm going to take my 4th ponytail, split it in half and bring it up around my 5th ponytail and just add an elastic so you bring it around. It's not anchored to anything, just itself. And we're going to do one final pull through. pancake it out, and then I'm going to take these two ponytails and just attach them to each other so it just looks like one. So that is our final style. Pull the ponytail out in the back. Here is a little spin to see the entire thing. As I mentioned before, don't forget to cut the elastics out of her hair at the end of the night. We hope you enjoyed this video and this hairstyle. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We have tons of other videos ranging from beginner to intermediate that you'll want to check out as well. Thanks so much for watching. See you later.
Thank you for watching. See you later.
Bye.